Hi guys, so since dili pa ako katulugon, let's have a very quick refrigerator tour. So this is new. This was gifted to me by Haba. This is Toshiba. Yeah, bought this at Tesco online official site. So this one, this is where I put all the chips. And then let's start here. These are the eggs, the facial masks, blackberry jam, and then flavor buttermilk pandan chocolate. This is food coloring, yeast. And then here are the Ritter Sport chocolates with milk here. And then here is mayo. This is already my vitamin C, fish oil, my collagen. This is caramel syrup. This is Delphi. And then let's go here. This is Tofifi. This one is Raffaello. This one is like a cornflakes coated with chocolate. So here, these are diced carrots. Those are coffee and tea from hotels. This one is butter. This is sugar. This is biscuit. Here, water, fresh milk, evaporated milk. I put it here so that it will not stain. And then let's go here. Instead of vegetables, we have gummy bears and candies and lollipops. Yeah. And then here we have Kinder Chocolate Tofifi, Milka. This was bought last Valentine. Yeah, I guess. Mercy, Lind. I don't know how you read that. Shogetsun. This is Milka wafer and then Milka Oreo. You know what's the best part? This one. The ice cubes. O diba? Wala may makita nga. Wala pa'y karami guys. Wala pa'y kulay. So yeah. That's it. Thank you, Haba.